So top tips for working with our academic partners, I think number one is communication. We actually put together a communication plan so we know the frequency we're going to communicate, what we're going to communicate at the meetings so that the academic team and the industry team stay on the same page. We each know what the other's doing. We trade success stories. We talk about anything that has come up and how we can support one another. To me, that's number one. Number two is really sitting down as a team and defining roles. Who's going to do what? And again, how are we going to communicate that so that we have a joint grant and we stay in very close communication as to what the two different sites are doing and the research versus the commercial team, and how we're going to accelerate one another's work. When we look at all the different manufacturers, first of all, we have to be very clear in what do we know, what do we need to know, and who can best fill our needs. We need specific criteria. We need it to do these 5 things, because the ability to articulate that to a vendor makes all the difference in the world. No one can help us if we don't really know what it is that we want. So that saves everybody time, and we can be specific. Also, the partners in the community bring a wealth of knowledge, and they are more than willing to share that knowledge with us. So we have the benefit also of all the knowledge of our manufacturing vendors. We look at data. Where's the data to support the product? Who else is using it? Are we an early adopter, or is this a proven product? We look at, of course, cost. Early stage, everybody looks at cost. So we want to know how much it costs us, not only today, but at commercial scale, so we can factor that in and create our cost of goods model. And we look at reputation in the industry and partnerships that really help to build our credibility. Everyone wants big pharma partnerships. That is, for us, the holy grail. For a small company to be able to partner with big pharma and collaborate is a dream. In thinking through how we do this, a lot of times, some of it is, who do we talk to? Not who do we talk to as in what company, but who do we talk to within that company? And how are we seen? And how do we articulate our value? And our value is in the scientific data that we present to the company. It's in the story we tell. Ours is a platform technology, so we build the story of multiple indications and a robust pipeline. It's also in taking feedback. So every conversation we have with a potential pharma partner, we get great feedback and learning. So they're very willing to talk to us early and to learn about us. And my experience has been they're very willing to give us feedback too, and make requests of things that they would like to see, things that are important to them. So in that respect, they are partners in our learning also. So that as we progress and as we get more data, we're always free to reach back out and to present the next data set and our manufacturing plan and any other clinical information that we have.